video, I'm going to be showing you how to be completely invisible in Hunt. So if you change your name to Target, change your color code to 020, and take off all cosmetics. If you go into a Hunt lobby here, this is also one of my subscribers right here. If you change it to Hunt, here, change it to Hunt, and then set it to Forest on, like, if you go to group and set it to Forest, and then we have to hit enter at the same time. Make sure, yeah, is it on Hunt over there?
Yep.
Okay, then press 1 for Forest. And then 3, 2, 1. Okay, I hope that works. Should be completely invisible. Yo, bro, we're in here. Okay, we just have to wait for the match to end. Yo, what's up, bro? But yeah, there, the match ended. Yo, does anyone have an invisible target?
Yeah, I do.
Ain't no way. Who is it that has the invisible target?
Me.
What color are you?
I'm a hunter.
Oh, but you had do you have invisible? Who has invisible target now? He had invisible target. Bro really hit a Fortnite emote. Who has the invisible target?
You're not mine. You're not mine. Well, actually, are you? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! You're slowed. No, you're not. Shoot! Get out! Get out! Get out, man! You're not mine. Don't worry. You're not mine.
I'm a big dog. I'm a big dog.
Oh my god!
Oh my goodness gracious! I am so good at this.
But who in here has an invisible target?
Me.
No one.
I do. How about that?
It's K9.
Is K9? Where?
He's right here. The invisible person's right there. He's right there. He's right there. I'm gonna slow him. I slowed him. I slowed him. I slowed him. Hurry. Run. I slowed him. I slowed him again. Get him.
Okay, where's him?
I don't know where I was going with that.
Come on. I'm gonna slow you again. I slowed you.
Bro, you suck.
Come on, Green.
I must, bro. You suck.
Hey, shut the fuck up. That's why you're so hard to actually do stuff with water.
Black.
You have such a big boost.
Bro. Did Black ever try and... Did Black lose me or something?
Hi, dog. I don't know where Black is.
I got tagged.
Wow. I'm close.
Yo, GG's.
Someone's want to be K9 because... Wait, you're trying to be invisible.
Yo, I'm Za. Where are you? I'm Za.
Blue party hat. Blue party hat.
Yo, I'm Za. Where are you? I'm Za. Yo, what's up, I'm Za? Yo, guys, I'm in this lobby with one of my subscribers.
Where you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh my god, you got cooked. You got cooked. Freak you. Don't stick up the middle finger at me. Stop sticking up the middle finger at people.
It's not very nice.
Shut up.
I'm very weird.
A bad one.
What happens if you make me mad?
Then you're mad. Green.
I know, right?
Green. Green, get you.
Bro, this means Dukes. I kinda duked you out though.
There's an eyelash in
I'm
my
joking, bro. I suck at this game. Bro, you're gay. Okay, not gay.
I have a girlfriend. I'm not gay.
Ain't no way you have a girlfriend.
Elmo.
Yeah.
Who's Elmo?
Lil Broski sounds like Elmo.
I do.
But yeah, I have merch now. Link will be in the description. Link will be in the description.
Nobody cares about your video.
I'm recording right now. That's why I'm saying that.
Nobody cares about your
No.
video. Yeah, mute everyone, blood.
Bro, this kid with tweet can't
Say your. Oh, guys.
Yo, I see my. Yo, what's up, Imza?
Mods.
Oh, it turns out you're my target.
Person.
My subscriber is my target.
Mods, everybody. You sure? Everybody, I have mods. You know that?
You sure about that? You sure about that?
I have mods. Yes, I have mods.
Yo, Imza. I'm sorry, but you're my target.
Ow! How do you have mods?
It says secret. Bro, on your watch it says secret. It says
No, I
secret.
have my hand.
Okay, you're not it. Alright, I'm gonna change back to my
The box?
usual outfit.
Oh my god! My dad said you suck! You suck!
Nah.
Nine. Name.
This server sucks my ball sack.
Hey!
Skibidi
Hey,
toilet.
why are you doing this? bro?
Skibidi,
I
skibidi
literally
toilet.
tagged you.
Okay.
Bro.
My subscriber is not my target.
L.
There goes little broski. I think he might have been looking for me.
Bro is actually lost. You're lost. You're actually lost.
What?
Bro is
Suck?
lost.
You suck? You suck so bad? Oh my god, you suck! You suck!
No being mean. It's not nice.
You suck! You suck! You suck! You suck!
Broski. Come here. Come here. Come
You
here.
suck!
Oh,
You
frick.
suck!
Yeah.
Fricky prickies. I'm about to poop a brick. I'm about to poop a brick. For real, bro.
Yo.
I'm actually about to poop a brick. I'm sorry, I'm so.
Bro, I'm SZA.
Oh, I'm Zizza.
Oh my god!
Ow, I just hit my bed real hard. I just punched my bed. I just punched my bed. Holy cow, I just punched it. I just punched it real hard. Holy cow, I just punched the hijibee BBs out of it. Like, I actually punched it.
Oh.
I would say bad words if I could. I would say some very naughty words.
Don't break me!
Top hat.
I'm about to be bricked up. I'm about to be bricked up. I'm about to be bricked up. I'm about to bust.
Bro, I'm hard.
No! I'm like, no! That was a quick round.
Yep.
Yeah. That's gonna be the end of the video, guys.